Hi everyone, my name is John from American Eagle Plumbing. Today we're going to talk about how to install a garbage disposal. Here I have today the common tools that you're going to need to install a disposal: a hammer, screwdriver, nut driver, silicone, or putty. Next thing you're going to do is unpack your disposal. I like to take, this is your sink clip, so I'm going to remove all the screws where they're going to pull them out. And then there's a clip at the very bottom right here, and we're gonna just pop that off with the screwdriver so that we can separate everything. Next, we're gonna take the sink drain and we're gonna either use silicone as a sealant or putty. Now, when I use silicone, I use it on a colored sink, or if I use putty, it's gonna be on a stainless steel sink. Once we either have silicone or putty around our drain, we're gonna insert this so that the letters are straight, and we're gonna insert that in the sink drain. Once this is installed in the sink, we're gonna go ahead from the underside and put the felt side up. And then we're gonna put this clamping on. And then at that point, we can go ahead and install this. Now this will take a little bit of practice if you're not used to it. Some people like to go ahead and set a heavy object on the top of this so it doesn't move. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna walk around this drain or this clamp until it clicks into place. The reason I took these screws out is so I can put some Loctite on them. I use the blue Loctite so that you can eventually get them back out. Now the reason I Loctite those is because the vibration of the garbage disposal will back these screws out and eventually they'll fall out. So I like to go ahead and Loctite my screws, and then I go ahead and reinsert them into the bottom of the drain. As you can see, I've gone ahead and tightened all the screws up in the sink clamp, and once you've evenly tightened them, you're going to go ahead and remove the excess silicone or putty from the top part of the sink. Before we go ahead and insert the garbage disposal, depending on whether or not you have a dishwasher, you want to make sure that you remove, there's a plug on these, so you want to go ahead and remove the sink plug. And how you're going to do that is you're going to put a nut driver in there and you're going to smash that out. Once you have that plug smashed out, make sure that you tip it upside down and get that plug out of the drain. Once you have the plug removed, you can go ahead and lift up this disposal to the sink clamp that's already in your kitchen sink. For demonstrations today, we're just gonna set that on top of the disposal. Now you're gonna lift and rotate this clamp device, and it locks and slides right into place. So this is where this tool comes in really handy, because your fingers are only gonna be able to get it so far. So go ahead and stick that right inside the clamp, and you're gonna twist that all the way to where there's an actual lock that clips it in place. And there you have it. That's how you install a garbage disposal. We've done lots of garbage disposals. If you find that you get stuck in one of these parts, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to help you.